Welcome back, my Drew's Boost, the Drew's Boost Kingdom. You guys, thank you guys so much for being so amazing and so loyal to this kingdom. But I have to address something really quick. To all the new subscribers or the new kings and queens or just the haters, more so the haters. I will never ever shop at Hermes ever again. They didn't dump me. They didn't ban me. I banned them bitches and put them in the trash. Where they belong, like Jane Birkin on the ground. Like I showed you guys in this video of how she was selling her WAP, giving up her WAP, donating her WAP, giving her WAP for free, stretching her WAP, playing with her WAP, using her WAP, degrading her WAP, and letting it be that WAP be oppressed. Okay? No store has any power over me or say so over me. Why the hell would I be on a waiting list or waiting in a line as if I am destitute and if I am in need of something? You only wait in a line and get in a waiting list if you're destitute and in need of something. I have gotten a multiplicative amount of exotic, rare bags from my sales associate at an amazing low price. Can I say that again? Low price. My kings and queens that have been buying their bags and buying 3 bags, 4 bags, 5 bags at a time, please say it again. Low price. You don't have to go to a store. There's so many other options. There's the Real Rebags. All these resellers that have their Birkins or their items at a discounted rate. My sales associate is an amazing low rate where people that never thought they could own a Birkin are owning Birkins. I will support my essay who is getting me crocodile bags at an unbelievable price and will let me buy as many bags as I want. Not a bag that's offered to me, but a bag that I request. A bag that I say, I want this is that. Okay? Let's not get that confused, people. I'm jealous of no one. I am blessed. My kings and queens that have ordered your bags and you guys are getting your amazing bags, you understand. So let's just get that out the way. And because you guys have been so amazing and so loyal, I do have this amazing Birkin 35 in electric blue to give away for all my kings and queens that have been amazing supporters. Those of you guys know my style and how I do the giveaway. If you don't know my style and how I do giveaways, please watch this video right here and see how you enter to win. Basically, just DM me and I will put your name in the raffle for this amazing blue electric Birkin 35 in Togo with palladium hardware. Yes! I will announce the date for the deadline and when I will be picking this item on the Himalayan unboxing. Good luck, everybody. Only my true kings and queens. Please know, once the winner is picked, I do go through my Instagram pictures and see if they liked my pictures. If the winner did not like my pictures, best believe it will be going to the next king or queen that shows their loyalty and dedication to this kingdom, which is 5,000 strong on Instagram and almost 7,000 strong on YouTube. Thank you guys so much. I have to thank you so much that are allowed to see my Instagram stories. You guys know I have blocked over 500 people from seeing my Instagram stories, where I asked you guys, I want a Birkin 25. I want it in crocodile, and I really want
you know, I really want between these colors, you know, and you guys have picked this color out of all of them. I'll try to see if I can show you the options that I gave my Instagram family, my Instagram kings and queens. So you guys, thank you so much, because out of all the bags, even the Himalaya, this one is my absolute favorite. So let's just get on to it. So, what's in it? Okay, honey. Yes, we have our baby. You guys know it comes with the raincoat, the receipts, all that paperwork. So, let me pull her out. This is the lock. Okay, we know it's a BIRKIN 25, and I will let you know it is in NILO crocodile, which is from the Nile River, as in Africa, the Nile River, where everything is popping. I'm in the Nile, in the Nile. So let's see. Oh. Oh my gosh, you guys. Delicious, and I'm fat because I eat good. I eat good, baby. BIRKIN 25 in Mimosa Niloticus crocodile from the Nile River. I've been to Africa. I've seen where the Hermes and a lot of brands purchase their crocodiles and also have their crocodile farms in Kenya and Zimbabwe. I've actually been to those farms. I've actually seen the crocodiles that are meant for rescue that have been taken out of countries and tribes where they've killed people, or they have deformities, or they've been poached by poachers in areas that are solely bred for luxury consumption. But those meats are also sold to restaurants in China and in Kenya and Zimbabwe, where they actually consume the crocodile. So it's not going 100% to waste. These animals are being consumed thoroughly. And speaking about the Nile, honey, I want to give a big congratulations to my friends and my neighbor. Now, this is my neighbor. We used to talk about Beyonce. We used to talk about how he used to work with Beyonce, how I've, been on sets with Beyonce. I've been to one of Beyonce's events. And my friend Alejandro, with Alejandro Collection, that he's made his own collection, honey. He used to intern, he used to whatever, and now he made the Alejandro Collection, designing 3 looks for Beyonce's I Am King. He designed that amazing royal blue gown for Beyonce in Mood Forever.
So I'm just scrolling through the Vogue.com and looking at this stuff, and look who I see. My boo, Alejandro Collection, Beyonce, a man that I've known my whole freaking life. I mean, me and him used to have so many conversations about Beyonce, and now he is dressing Beyonce in a historical movie production. Alejandro, I love you, boo.
He designed Kelly Rowland's white gown with the puffy shoulders.
And we got another write-up, booze. My baby again, Kelly Rowland and Alejandro Collection, Vogue, baby, Vogue, 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 baby, yes, Vogue, my boo.
For Kelly Rowland and Brown Skin Girls and Blue Ivy's dress and Spirit. Now, mind you, my friend, my family, Alejandro, not only designed these looks for Beyonce's iconic, amazing movie, visual album, Black is King, but he also was written up in Vogue. My boo was written up in Vogue magazine. No matter what these haters want to say, no matter what these losers want to say, I've always been surrounded by celebrities. I've always been surrounded by celebrity influencers and stylists. But to see someone who I've seen from childhood, he was a little bit older than me, but I've known since childhood, come from across the street and be designer for Cardi B, Beyonce, Kylie Jenner, Kim Kardashian, Khloe Kardashian, Halle Berry, the list goes on. And to see him finally get written up in Vogue, Alejandro from Alejandro Collection, I'm here for you, boo. But anyways, back to the bag. So you guys, this is in Niloticus crocodile, and we know that from opening her up and seeing the 2 dots. I'll do a close-up. But seeing the 2 dots near the Hermes hot stamp, which lets you know that it is indeed Niloticus crocodile. has a square, Perosa's Crocodile has the triangle. Now, I have plenty of options with my sales associate, and as you guys know, I could have got a shiny croc, I could have got whatever. But for me, I would only do shiny croc in this size or BIRKIN 25, but for my first crocodile, which I did buy this from my mom, I would want mine to be a matte. The issue with shiny croc is any moisture that gets onto shiny croc, it is stained there forever. If you guys go to the Real or Rebag or whatever, you see these old bags, vintage bags that look really smudgy, that look really murky. You know, they have these water stains. The water stains are not going to come out. They will not come out, you guys. So, this you can hide behind your back when you're at the restaurant. And if you guys saw my video, honey, where I was with my boo, honey, my boo took me out, honey, real good and real nice. A waiter almost spilled water on this. And not even like by on purpose, but they were like handing me the water and the water was dripping off the glass and it almost hit the bag and I had to hurry up and just put the bag behind. So this is easier to shelter, easier whatever. A BIRKIN 25 is not so much. Matte Crocodile is way more durable. Is way more durable than a shiny crocodile. Niloticus Crocodile is the second most expensive crocodile of all the crocodiles that Hermes offers. To me, it is my favorite. I do not like Perosa's Crocodile. Perosa's Crocodile, the scales are smaller than this. And an issue that I have with Perosa's Crocodile is that it's delicate. I don't want to pay more money to be more delicate. I want it to be very durable. So, alligator and crocodile and Niloticus are very much durable and very much my choice. So I decided for my first BIRKIN 25, I definitely want to be in a matte because it is just way more durable, way more carefree, and in this yellow that you guys picked, I'm so grateful and so thankful. It just is gonna go with everything. And one thing I also want to pick up, show you guys about the bottom of the BIRKINs and alligators and the crocodiles is that the big scales is actually the tail. So, like I said, one crocodile to make the front, their stomach, another crocodile to make the back, their stomach, and a crocodile to make both sides. That is their stomach, and then this bottom part is made of the tail of the crocodile from South Africa. My sales associate, those of you that have already shopped with him, you guys know how amazing he is and how amazing his sales prices is. And when you let him know that I sent you, you guys already know you're gonna get a major discount. So make sure you let them know that Drew sent you so that you can be qualified to get the discount. Because if not, he's gonna think of you as a new customer, or he's gonna think of you some random person. Why wouldn't he try to take advantage of you? But if you let him know that Drew sent you, you will definitely get the discount. Again, thank you guys so much for helping me pick out this amazing color, this amazing bag. And this concludes part 4 of the amazing, iconic unboxing of all these amazing pieces from my sales associate. You guys, in the final part, we will unbox the Himalayan. Yes, the Himalayan that my kings and queens have helped me pick out. So stay tuned to that. Make sure you like and subscribe and join this kingdom. And make sure you hit the bell, the notification button, so you can know when part 5 of this video comes out and other videos. So you guys, I'll see you next time. Bye.